Hello! Welcome to our vlog, and for today's video, another weekend, another off-duty, at another adventure. So, samahan nyo kami. Let's go! So, for today's adventure, pupunta tayo sa Kahua Kalia River Camp sa Zambales. Continue for 16 kilometers now. Yes, what can you say? Sticker. F-Oil, ayan, wala naman ako nakikitang, Blue Oil Asia, wala naman ako nakikitang fueling gas station, wala naman ako nakikitang, Shell, dun sa dulo.
In 50 meters at the
Diretso ka
roundabout,
lang.
take the fourth exit onto Olongapo,
Shell.
Magalan Road, RH
Tapos may Caltex.
Hindi muna tayo kasi wala kasi tayo. Dalawang oras pa. So,
Asan?
ayun. Dito tayo, no?
Sundan mo yung yellow na jeep doon sa unahan. Ayan sila, papunta yun doon. Na traffic pa. Medyo malayo-layo pa. We still have 1 hour and 32 minutes.
Are you very near?
No, still 1 hour and 32 minutes away.
That's a problem.
For the first time.
Welcome. I don't know what does it look like. So the
But we're crossing Bukau
we're
River.
going to cross now.
Huh? Let's see. Oh, that's a river. This is the river.
Are you sure that's a river?
Turn right, then you will arrive at your destination.
1, 10, 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ito no, right here. Oh, right.
Yan ba yan?
You have arrived.
Lumagpas tayo.
Lumagpas tayo.
Saan ko lang pala siya yan, no?
Lumagpas kami konti. We have arrived finally after a long 3 hours. So, ito na. Papasok tayo. We're going.
Ano
Ito na. Sa
I know what you say.
Kahua Kalia.
Daddy, I know what you're going to say. I know what you're going to say. Is he going
Oops.
Is he going to work at night? That's the one you're going to say.
Wakalia River Camp. Ayan, pasok tayo. So nagpa-reserve na ako kanina, nag-message na ako. At
Your colleague.
dito na lang daw magbabayad. Usually nagpapa down payment sila ng 50% for reservation or for booking.
Are you sure there's a campsite?
Yeah, of course.
Then why is it like that?
What's the river?
That is not a river, that is swimming pool.
Saan ba na yung ano nila?
You're
Yan pa sa
kidding
loob.
me.
What are you doing? Okay. They're fixing the net. I think that's a fish pond. No, Daddy?
Doon, dito o doon kabila pa?
They're fishing.
Kabila pa, no?
They're fishing.
Where is it? Hey. Ayun na, oh. That's the one. That's the campsite.
I thought the fishing one is the campsite.
Welcome. Ang daming tao ngayon. It's weekend. See, that's why I told you. I don't know our location, yung ating ano.
You forgot.
We're here at the campsite.
Why you forgot?
Punta tayo dyan sa may tindahan to ask. Okay.
Can we go?
Ay, ang ganda ng river. Oh, sobrang linaw. Ang saya. So, weekend ngayon, guys. Ang daming nagka-camp. Day tour yata to or baka meron mang nag-overnighted. So, dahil hapon na kami nakarating. So, eto yung dito yung what happened?
The car has an alarm.
Really?
Yeah.
Sobrang init dito. Grabe. Sobrang init. Ginusto ko to. Aninindigan ko to. Dito.
You can.
Ni, takpan mo na lang. Okay na to, sulong na.
Tulog.
Ni,
Oh, may sabi dyan.
huwag mo lang itakpan. Sabaw niya.
Okay ka lang.
Ayan.
Yung sabaw.
Okay na.
Sabaw pa.
Okay na.
Hello. So, ayun guys. Gabi na. Kanina, pagdating namin, mga 4 o'clock. 3 hours or more than 3 hours yung biyahe namin kasi dumaan pa kami sa Pure Gold. Kasi namili pa kami ng konting pagkain namin para madala namin dito sa campsite. So mga 4 na kami nakarating dito. Sobrang init. Grabe yung pawis ko kanina. Tagaktak talaga. Yung nagbe-build kami ng tent. Pero pinanindigan namin kasi gusto naming mag-camping. So ayun nga guys, nandito kami sa Kahua Kalia campsite, river campsite sa Botolan, Zambales. Ayan, so dito lang, ayan lang. Yan lang, mga ilang metro lang, ilog na yan. Nasilip ko na siya kanina nung pagdating namin. Sobrang linaw, sobrang linis. Hindi siya ganun kalaking area talaga, pero ano siya, maganda siya. Yung gusto mo lang mag-chill dito. Bukas na kami maliligo. Kailangan namin matry ang ilog na yan. Kasi parang sobrang linis, no? Ang linaw pa. Yung kita mo talaga sa yung bato sa ilalim, tsaka buhangin. Tapos yung eto dito, yung ground nila dito, buhangin siya. Kaya medyo nahirapan kami sa pagtayo ng tent namin kasi buhangin nga yung mga ano yung bakal na pinupukpok namin para ano matawag doon, parang stabilize yung tent, natatanggal lang. Nagluto na ako ng manong sauce, and for the next magluluto tayo ng ito, kikiam, squid balls, and of course fish balls. So ayun nga, ang daming mga maliliit na insekto. Oh, nasunog na yata tong aking kikiam ni. Ang daming yung mga lumilipad. Ano bang tawag dyan? Niknik. Ayan, no. Ayan.
I saw a frog. I saw a frog.
There.
There. It's not a rock.
Ang sarap lang ng ganitong feeling na after mong magtrabaho ng 12 hours ng ilang araw, tapos ang saya pagka off duty mo na. Sakto nga 3 days off ako ngayon. So
Tingnan mo.
Mommy, it's only 4 days. 4 days.
3 days. Good morning, day 2. Papakita ko sa inyo itong river. Ayan, no.
I'm scared.
Oh, dahil mga nagka-camping.
What a nice water.
See, I told you.
It's so nice.
It's so clear and clean. Oh, careful. Ayan. Mahangin sa ngayon, kagabi. Oh, there's a banana there. Oh, yun yung may saging.
Wait. Oh, there. There's a big one. Look there.
Ang linaw. Malamig yan, Red. It's still cold.
Look at this grasshopper. There's a grasshopper.
Yeah.
You want me to take
Don't push me.
because this is a grasshopper.
Let's go na. Ayun. Ano, malamig? Malamig? Is it cold? Malamig? Enjoy yung dalawa eh. Si Sneaker tumatawol. Why your hair is not wet yet, Red? Red. Oh, ang dami mga saging na bunga, oh. Andun pa isa, oh. Ayun. Doon meron. Isa to. Pinag-interesan ang... Ay, ang dami! Andun pa sa kabila. Ang dami bunga ng mga saging, oh. Oh, iwan ko muna kayo dyan at ako'y magluluto.